morning everyone. My name is Arslan and you are watching Proper Tech Tutorial. So welcome back to the series of AI and automation, and today we'll be learning about Copilot, the top 5 Copilot prompts that are used by professionals. So I hope that you have followed us throughout our videos, throughout our uploads, and you have found our videos useful. In case you have any suggestions, do comment in the comment section and we'll definitely try to improve it, and if you are facing any issues, we'll definitely get you back. So without any further delay, let's start. So I will start by opening the Copilot page. So here it is, and then I have created a PPT so that I can copy and paste the prompts which I found to be useful and which I found that people on the net have searched for it quite much, and it is useful for our viewers. So we'll start with the first comment, and that is write a professional email to request a meeting with a client. So first of all, I would like to let you know that what is the use of AI, ChatGPT, Copilot, DeepSeek. Basically, they are artificial intelligence based writing tools that can write certain things for you. They have the formats that are available on the internet. They have a lot of things that they can correct. They can make it professional, they can make it eye catching, appealing, and trendy as per the current scenario. So we will write this professional email requesting a meeting with a client, and we will request Copilot to do that. So how will we do that? So, and I will just paste it over here as plain text, and then I will write certain things so the Copilot can understand my background and the client's background as well. So, in the previous videos of ChatGPT as to whether to write a LinkedIn post, a curated LinkedIn post, or Facebook post, or YouTube hashtags, or YouTube tags with ChatGPT, etc., the most important thing is the prompt. The more you will give, be specific, the more it will give a best curated response for you. And 60% of the work is being done by AI, and then the 40%, the human touch, the sensitive content, the things that like dates, etc., designation, any other things, quotations which you would like to include, then those things are entered by us. So our load is reduced to quite an extent, and our efficiency is increased a lot, like at least by 1.6 times, 60%. So I will write over here that assume that I am a mechanical design professional and am writing to a well-known client of Indian market. I'm not trying to mention the name of any company, rather I am writing a well-known client of the Indian market. You can specify in your own scenario regarding the PEB, the pre-engineered buildings project. Assume any other information necessary or optional to make the email professional, uh, mm, enthusiastic, and you can say eye-catching, and try to incorporate the assumed present accomplishments of the client and their future prospects, and we'll press enter. So it will create an email for us. Request for meeting is exciting projects for our PEB project collaboration. This is a very brief subject to make the client understand what the email is for. Then the first paragraph will be regarding that the first formalities, hi, hello, etc. What is my name? Why we are trying to reach you out, and what is what is the small background about me or about us or about my company. So I'm reaching out to request meeting, etc., which I believe has significant both organizations. Now it has piqued the interest of the client that it is something which we do and which we are excellent in, and it is something which they are also trying to look in their future projects, and they would like to read the further email. Having closely followed remarkable journey, etc., etc., in the innovation, then it is something that we are writing that there are things which we have noticed in your company, and we relate to that and we work in that domain only. In the light of these accomplishments, and you can see that the whole email is very much accurate, professional, and eye catching. So it is a cold email along with a professional and good formatted email. Also, if you will mention the company's name, like for example, I'm working for ABC Limited. So ABC Limited, I will write to the Copilot to search their Instagram, social handles, Google, etc., and find out their latest projects, name their latest projects and their future prospects, and make it aligned with our projects which we do. And we'll mention some of our projects in the prompt, and then it will curate the email much more precise and much more concisely. So this is one of the prompt which we have studied in this video. Next prompt is to summarize the key points of this quarterly business report. So this is something which most of the people have the task of doing. For example, if you are in the managerial position and or you are in the sales or marketing position, you will be having such tasks of writing the summary of the quarterly business report, etc., etc., the future prospects, etc., what are the sales numbers, etc., and those things will be written uh, by you in the summary. So we will write it again over here. We will paste as plain text, and then we will write assume quarterly business report. So assume that I am a marketing professional and I have to deliver the summary in my next meeting with my colleagues. And I can also write that our company and assume that my company is the is let us name it. We will write it that it is Tata Steel, and the business report should adhere with it. So we can also attach the business report from here, but since I will not be attaching any, I'll just give you an idea as to how this summary can be written, this summary can be done, and what are the things which we should do. So like we will have to give it a background about ourselves, about our company, why this summary is to be written for an email, for a client, for my colleagues, etc., or for explaining it to my juniors, what is the reason of writing the summary. And we can also attach the business summary report in the Copilot, and you can attach it after logging in. So I've logged in, so I'm able to attach the files. So now it has searched the Google, Bing, etc., and found out certain things which are related to Tata Steel business, and it has found certain key points, highlighted that, and then it has written the strategic insights too. So I will write over here, write this summary in a communicable um, manner, like a script of 2 minutes to be read at the meeting. Okay, so it will write in a paragraph form, and you just have to copy that, paste that, print it out, and you just have to read that, and you will be best, and you will be like a star in that meeting. So this is another prompt which professionals use to summarize anything. And first one is to write an email. That is something which is very frequently used. Another prompt that is most commonly used in the AI domain by professionals is that to create a plan for upcoming product launch. So you have to, like, we'll just copy that and we'll just paste it over here, and then we will write the assume the same Tata Steel business project details, uh, and include any future prospects which this company has uh, has thought of. Okay, so write it in point wise fashion for making a professional PPT of, let's say, 15 slides. And then we will see what the Copilot gives. Next thing, another thing which I would like to tell the viewers to note is that the prompts are something which are like you will get to know about them, their accuracy and the expectation of the result, whether you are getting that or not, only after doing a hit and trial. So we will mention a prompt, then you will see the answer is wrong, then you will correct the prompt, then you will see the answer is insufficient, you will mention some more information, then you will have a much more precise answer from Copilot or ChatGPT or DeepSeek, etc. And so forth. With time, with practice, with hit and trial, you will get to know the exact prompt which you have to use for a particular work in your professional domain. Just copy that prompt and paste it in a notepad or a Word file, and you just have to change the thing. For example, over here I just have to change the attachment which I have to upload. So I will write PFA the attached document mentioning the so and so things of my company ABCDXYZ, and I have to present it and so and so. So this will be the first slide. Second slide, product details will be over here, marketing analysis, marketing strategy, launch time, budget, team roles, responsibilities, risk management. So when we make a PPT, we are unable to understand what slide should come when and what are the things which should be written in the PPT. So a lot of time goes into that thinking. So you can also make PPT from AI online, but that is something like which will give you a 6 or 7 slide PPT. And if another one will also mention the same prompt, it will get the same result, same answers, mostly same answers, 60 to 90%. The points will be the same. So it will Copilot I have used to get a format, a professional format, and the sensitive information like project manager, marketing team, names, etc., product details, etc. I will mention that myself, and I can also ask it like, tell me the font name, size, color, animation, etc. to be used in my PPT for the for it. Try to be specific and suggest values which will make my PPT professional and eye catching. And then it will also tell us the font size, types, everything will be there. So you do not have to put your effort in something which you are not responsible for. You are responsible for launching a product. So to for example, if you are a marketing person, you are responsible for launching a product to make its reach as as wide as possible, to reach as many customers, to make it more eye catching, more professional. The advertisement should be better, the things should be clear to the juniors, to the colleagues, so that they can work on it properly. So you are responsible for those things, not for thinking about the font size and font type, etc. So you can use AI in such things, and you will be reducing your workload to quite an extent. Coming to the next prompt, which is most commonly used, that is draft a PowerPoint presentation outline for marketing strategy. So I combined both of them together so that we can get a much more better output from AI, from Copilot, and the viewers can understand the scope of AI much more clearly. Moving on to the last prompt of this video, that will be provide constructive feedback on employee performance review. So we will write over here, we will create a new chat, and we will write over here, paste as plain text, assume necessary information from your end and do the task. Absolutely. Okay, so it has assumed some of the information on its own end, and this is the format it has given. This is the content it has given to be precise, to be accurate, and this is how a review should be there, areas for improvement, etc. So if you are having someone's details, on your hand, in your laptop, in your system, you can just upload it and tell it to make a performance review report. So this was the totality of this video, of using, of having, of knowing top 5 Copilot prompts for professional tasks. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it was beneficial for you, for the professional colleagues, for the professional people who are struggling to do the task, or those who are not technically advanced or technical or tech friendly. So, if you like our content, do subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Share our videos with your friends, colleagues, classmates, etc. And if you have any suggestions for us, if you have any problems which you are facing, comment in the comment section or write to us at propertechtutorial@gmail.com and we'll definitely get back to you. So, till the next time we meet, goodbye.